Waterfall audio from France. The speaker made out of with a glass cabinet, totally transparent, as you can see. The electronics or the crossover is underneath here, the terminals on the back, and the tweeter up. It's like a horn. But the beauty of this is the transparency. So it's very transparent, as you can see. The cabinet is glass. One. Let's check some details. Leather underneath here, aluminum here. You see how transparent it is. It's a glass work here. The drivers are covered on the back, so you can see anything else inside. No foam, no different material that other wood cabinet speakers are using. This is totally transparent. It's a beauty to have it inside your living room. Let's have a look on the driver. So the drivers, they having covers, are having this kind of cover. And the tweeter up there.